Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tony McKeag and it's Saturday the 5th of February. Now this morning I got up intending to do my normal sort of sunrise routine, taking my morning for doing my YouTube video, but as I got in the car it started raining, and it's still raining right now, and it's raining quite heavily. So change of plan. It's now 9:30. I'm heading to Feilding to make this video based on the museum, which is in Feilding, and which is around farm machinery and farm history. I have got my flash with me. I haven't used it yet, but hey, we'll see how it goes. So that's where we're going. We're going to go and take some photographs. I'm going to put another restriction on myself, is that I'm going to produce all of the photographs in a square format, which is very different to what I usually do. I usually do either... Right, I'm at the museum now, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to walk around and give you a bit of an idea of what's here before I start taking photos. So this is in the main room of the museum, and I'm just going to walk around. Well, I'm back now. It's only taken me a little over an hour to do what I did. The flash, I had a number of challenges. One was the flash failed on me. I've had to re-record my introduction shot because I'm sure some of you will pick up for the fact that my clothing in the museum was slightly different to what I'm wearing right now. But I had GoPro problems, mainly moisture problems with the GoPro itself, and it'll show early in this little tour around the museum that there was misting in the middle of the video. I'm quite pleased with the photographs, quite pleased with the trip. It's something I'll do again and allocate a bit more time to it. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you've watched the video this far, you owe it to yourself to consider that. If you've enjoyed the content, please like the video by hitting the thumbs up button at the bottom of the video. If you want to give me some feedback, please do so by putting it on the YouTube page. Thank you very much for watching. I do really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time.